Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
My husband said he cannot enjoy sex with me unless he tied me to the bed and I begin to bite back like dog or make some strange noises. Is this right thing to do?
Critical issues with Bisi Adewale.
This is critical issues with Bisi Adewale. Thank you for joining me in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Bisi Adewale and put on the notification. The question before me today is about a young lady whose husband will love her to be tied to the bed and she has to be barking like dogs before he can enjoy sex. This is totally wrong. Do you know what this one is called? It is called perversion. Perversion. Your husband needs help. He needs urgent help. The problem with him is he's been involving himself in what is called orgy before now. He's been having all manner of demonic sex before he got married to you. Another possibility is hooked on pornography. When somebody is hooked on pornography, he will begin to have desire for some unnatural sexual relationship. Even in his marriage, he will begin to make demand. When people begin to make demand for oral sex, for anal sex, it's not a natural inclination. It means they've been involved in it, maybe with their former sexual partner who introduced them to it, or they saw it in film, they saw it in porn. Pornography has recalibrate the head of so many people that they behave like animals, they don't behave normal. So you need to sit down your husband and let him know that he needs help. Seek help wherever you can get it for him. You need to see a counselor, most especially your husband even need deliverance. I'm not joking about this. So you need deliverance. If he's not helped and you are not doing what he asks you to do, you will never be sexually satisfied. He will begin to look for it outside and ruin your marriage and ruin himself. So he needs urgent help. He needs urgent help. Apart from this, even beyond this, if you are watching this video, your wife, your husband is demanding for some kind of unnatural, unbiblical sexual relationship, what we're supposed to do, you need to go all out to get help. You need to, you need to be regenerated, born again, and know the face of the Lord, seek the face of the Lord. If you allow the Spirit of God to take over your life, your behavior, your character, there are so many things you will never do. So your husband needs help, and help him to get it quickly before he ruins himself. Thank you for joining me in this particular video. Please let me tell you about this good news. Let me give you this good news. We have our marriage, super marriage bundle, a set of books, 4 of them. A desperate need of your wife, a desperate need of your husband, fight for that marriage, and 100% marriage. All these books are available now. You can order for them to help your marriage. You can see the number on your screen. Chat with the number immediately so that you can order for this book, or go to familiarbooks.com to download the e-copy. Thank you for joining me in this particular video today. Remember, men will always have critical issues. God will have supernatural solutions. Thank you.
Now, you can make your marriage sweeter, stronger, better, tantalizing, and more romantic by joining our 31 Days Marriage Makeover Bootcamp, where you're going to watch 34 uncommon videos on intimacy, finance, sex, romance, and lots more that will turn your marriage around forever. Quickly go to familiarcourses.com and start the journey of fruitful, blissful, and successful marriage now. You get it at 75% discount if you get the course today.